How to reserve a hotel room in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical topic: how to reserve a hotel room in English. Whether you're planning a vacation, a business trip, or just need a place to stay, knowing how to book a hotel room is essential. So, let's dive into the details and make your next hotel reservation smooth and hassle-free. To reserve a hotel room means to book or secure a room for yourself or others before your actual stay. It ensures that you have a place to stay upon your arrival. Reservations can be made through various channels such as hotel websites, travel agencies, or by calling the hotel directly. It's important to know the date of your stay, the type of room you prefer, and any special requests you might have. Before making a reservation, you should have the following information ready: your full name as it appears on your identification, contact information, including your phone number and email address, dates of your check-in and check-out, type of room you prefer, single, double, suite, etc. Special requests, if any, e.g., non-smoking room, late check-in. Payment information, usually a credit card, to guarantee the reservation. 1. Choosing a hotel. Research and select a hotel that fits your needs, budget, and location preference. 2. Contacting the hotel. You can reserve a room by calling the hotel directly, using their website, or through a travel agency or booking website. 3. Providing your details. Be prepared to provide all the necessary information, including your stay dates and room preferences. 4. Confirmation. Once your reservation is made, you'll receive a confirmation number. Keep this number safe as it proves your reservation and can be used for future reference or changes. Early booking. Reserve your room well in advance to secure the best rates and availability. Understanding cancellation policies. Familiarize yourself with the hotel's cancellation policy in case your plans change. Special deals and offers. Look out for any special deals or promotions that can save you money. Confirmation in writing. Always ask for a confirmation email or letter with all the details of your reservation. Reserving a hotel room in English is a straightforward process once you know the steps and what information is required. We hope this video has been informative and will help you book your next hotel stay with confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to use this knowledge the next time you're planning a trip. Thank you for watching, and happy travels!